Let's take a closer look at the stories making the headlines. And just a reminder that if you're watching on YouTube, now's a good time to hit the subscribe button. Bittrex launched its new trading platform this week and announced that it would be opening its platform to new clients again. This comes after the company joined several other exchanges late last year in closing its platform to new customers. The company was then concerned about the platform's ability to take on the heavy volumes that were going on in the bull run. Bittrex was amongst the last of the big exchanges to open up their platform to new clients. Joining me from New York to talk about Bittrex and a whole lot of other things is Ari Paul. Ari, Bittrex opened its platform again to new customers. What does this mean for the market and specifically for the tokens on Bittrex?
Well, they're getting a pump today. We're seeing quite a few of them up between 5 and 15%. Bittrex was closed to new subscriptions since December, so there's a lot of pent-up demand for altcoins.
So the Bittrex coins are spiking, but are you looking at anything in particular on the markets?
A few of one story that I think we're seeing play out right now is a lot of interesting launches on Ethereum. So Gnosis went live on mainnet today, and that's built on Ethereum. You're also seeing a lot of projects that are building on ERC 721, non-fungible digital collectibles. CryptoKitties was the first, but now there's a dozen kind of fairly high-profile projects. A lot of them are getting financing right now and kind of starting to build their communities and generate hype. So I think the story of a whole bunch of additional kind of decentralized applications being built on Ethereum is a story that's kind of playing out this month.
So Ari, later on in the show, we'll be talking to Luke Martin.
So guys, did we hit a bull market for altcoins? Obviously right now, Bitcoin is up 12%, but we do have a lot of altcoins moving up as well. And if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, it was at 45%. It's gone down 3%. So does this mean that the altcoin bull market is back and that Bitcoin will now start to head down? Personally, I've been just buying Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's the only transactions I've been making. It looks like some of these other altcoins, and we can go through the list. Ripple had a nice run up. Cardano. IOTA, shoot. I got out of IOTA. I watched some YouTube stuff that really bashed IOTA, so I sold most of my IOTA. I still have I never fully sell, so I sit on some of it. So it's good to see that IOTA's coming back. But my personal opinion is I am going to continue to just do the strategy of buying Ethereum and Bitcoin because it's just the most stable, and there could be a large altcoin run up. I don't know. It's hard to predict the market, but at the same time, you can get crushed. I obviously have already invested in altcoins, and probably not at the best time. I was buying a lot of my altcoins during the altcoin bubble, so that stinks. And I will probably sell some of my altcoins once I feel like another bubble appears. But once again, it's really hard to time. And like I said, I do have that balanced portfolio, but over 50% of my holdings is just Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's probably getting closer now to 60 or 70. But I do have some altcoins all spread around, and the two largest altcoins I own are Litecoin, and I do have a good amount of Bitcoin Cash, but I probably will be using some of that Bitcoin Cash to buy more altcoins. Just because I don't want to have all my portfolio just be Coinbase coins. So we'll see, but leave your comments too. I'm really interested, as a community, now that we're getting closer and closer to the 10,000 subscriber mark. We're getting better comments, more constructive comments. So, let me get your guys' opinions. I read them, and hopefully everyone else in the audience, check out some of the comments. Definitely give likes and upvote the good ones. And let me know what you guys think. Is this an altcoin bull market now that more people, especially in the US market, can now go to other exchanges? One other quick point I'll make is I wouldn't have all your money on one exchange. So if you're going to get a Bittrex account, I highly recommend getting a KuCoin and a Binance account as well, because the other two exchanges are not US based. So if there is some sort of audit that goes on, I don't foresee a way for the US government to audit the offshore exchanges. Bittrex for sure pay your taxes, and if you convert Bitcoin to other altcoins, it's supposedly a taxable event. So go through your Bittrex account if you're using it, have them print out a sheet And I would definitely, for this year, if you can, file your taxes, because you don't want Uncle Sam to come after you. But let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon.